I received these portable benches today. This is the box they came in. I did get this in an exchange for a review. We're going to go ahead and open them up, check them out, and see how well they hold up. Here they are out of the box. Again, you get two. You get a manual, and you can choose black or white on these. They come in either color. The actual bench top is plastic, but then the frame here is alloy steel. And you're able to fit 330 pounds. That's the weight capacity on these. Now we're going to go ahead and fold them out, see what they look like. And here are the benches laid out. I went ahead and put one upside down, just showing you how easy it is to get that put together. All you do is lift these legs here. There's 3 of them. They even have a handle that I didn't even know they had until you pull it apart. Easy for transport. And then here is the bench laid out normal size. I went ahead and got a tape measure and measured the bench, and it is 6 feet in length. So you have 2 benches here, 12 feet of extra seating. So I did sit on the bench and it held me just fine. And you can sit anywhere on here without it lifting up. So not only are these benches great to have extra seating here by the pool, but you can bring them to those games that do not have seating, like football games or soccer games. And these just fold up nicely, as you saw at the beginning, and you could just take them and go. They're definitely going to be used in our house. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.